What up, YouTube? Welcome back. D week, deadline week. This Sunday, hopefully, fingers crossed, we get done. This will go back to the owner on Sunday. So we obviously still have some things to do. Getting the windshield back today, hopefully, fingers crossed. Get the seats in today. I got the dash. We got the dash back last night. Shout out to Wong, did an amazing job. So got to put the dash back on, but didn't realize you can't have a roll bar to remove the dash. So I got to hopefully move the roll bar back, unbolt the roll bar, and move it back a couple inches. But yeah, so we got the windshield to put on, the hood to put on, doors to put on, the sides and the rear hatch door to put on, and then the top, obviously, final thing. Just the white, set the white type on once we get all this built, and then yeah. So it's gonna be an exciting 3 days of work. I'll be posting some shorts as I finish things up. Like I finished up the tool bag this morning and the jack this morning, and I'll post some videos of that here in a little bit. Some shorts. So if you're following along, watch for the shorts this week. But hopefully we get it done. We'll get there. We'll get there. All right. God bless. Till next time.